Today I am going to show you how to connect a basic electrical circuit. For this we need a battery, a connector, a switch and an LED bulb. First connect the battery to the connector as shown. Next take the red wire and connect it to one end of the switch. Next we can connect the two black wires together as shown. And finally connect the red wire to the other end of the switch. And our circuit is now complete. Turn the switch on and your LED light will glow. I use the same circuit to light up a small house for school project. I will be sharing the link to the video in the description box. If you are interested, you can check that out. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.